My Haiti documentary part 4.
Ramp with mom's dog. Right now we are gonna take a bus. And we are take the bus and we are going to the border. We're there on the bus and we are going to Haiti right now. You see me? Yes, that is it. So we are going to date the documentary. And we are going to cross the border with foot. Yeah, man, I want some sunlight, Papa. Right now, I'm going to leave DR Santiago. They're on one of them big buses here. And basically, the border not really open up in Haiti because it's travel ban and them thing there. So, jump on the bus, go to the border, and we're going to walk across the border. See, because the bus can't cross the border. Let's see how it go. Yeah, man. Chill with the locals, deal with the locals, meet and greet. So now we're there at next bus station. We have come off here now. Ramp with the dog, you know. Oh, they're going to fight with the youth. From Buckland. That is it.